welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonja, and in today's video I am sharing budget-friendly ways to refresh your home for spring while achieving that high-end curated look with simple and affordable touches. If you love seasonal decorating but don't want to break the bank, I got you covered with these easy tips. So let's jump right in. Tip number 1 is to refresh your home with florals and greenery. Florals and greenery instantly bring a fresh spring feel to your home. I love using Faux florals because they're more budget friendly and last forever. But you can absolutely mix in real blooms for a natural look. Some of my go-to florals for spring are baby's breath, soft, airy, and perfect as a filler; cherry blossoms, elegant and delicate; white and light pink florals, perfect for a soft, romantic touch; lush greenery makes arrangement feel full and high-end; and minimal, sparse greenery create a more modern, minimalistic aesthetic. You can find great fall florals at affordable prices in places like dollar stores, Walmart, or even online places like Temu and Amazon. Mixing high and low elements in your arrangement can create that designer high-end look. Number 2 is updating your outdoor space. If you are like me and live in an area where spring is nowhere in sight, we are currently in the midst of a huge snowstorm. I know last video I posted I was talking about a snowstorm. Well, today we're getting even a bigger one. Actually, the whole weekend it's supposed to be snowing, and it's supposed to be a lot of snow. So there is no spring in sight. But by March, I do feel like I want to have that more inviting feel when you step in front of my house. But I cannot plant any flowers. I cannot use any fresh flowers because they will not survive because it's still fairly cold. Usually can't plant any flowers except maybe pansies until mid-April to beginning of May. So for me, I like adding fall flowers to my planters. I especially the blooming dogwood, I think that's what it's called, the forsythias, because of their yellow flowers. And then later on, as the spring approaches, I might be adding or replacing them with pansies and some other flowers that can withstand the cold a little bit better. Other ways that you can also add more life to your front porch is using wreaths or hanging baskets with spring greenery. Swap out doormats for something bright and fresh. Add lanterns or string of lights to warm up the space. Even if it's still cold, these small updates make a huge difference in welcoming spring into your home and your outdoor space. Number 3 is incorporating woven baskets and natural touches. Spring is a great time to introduce woven baskets and natural textures into your decor. These elements bring warmth and coziness to any space. I like using them for storing blankets and pillows, organizing everyday essentials, displaying faux florals or greenery, holding books or small decor items. You can find affordable baskets at thrift stores and even DIY them to fit your color scheme if they're not the right color. I share lots of different DIYs over on my DIY channel, so I will leave the link to it down below if you want to check it out. And to be quite honest with you, I love using woven baskets, vases, and boxes throughout the whole year. It is just my style. But it is a great time if you're not using any to introduce them in spring. Adding floral patterns is my number 4 tip. Now, I currently do not have many floral patterns, but I have been slowly collecting them for the spring season. I am adding some floral pillows. I am adding some prints, and pillowcases instead of full pillows can save you space and money. Printing your artwork instead of purchasing it can definitely save you money as well. And you can add them into thrifted frames or even dollar store frames. And floral table linens is another way to add florals into your space. things like table runners, placemats, napkins, and they will just add that little subtle touch of floral into your space, of spring touch into your space. Small changes like these can definitely feel fresh and seasonal without spending a lot. Number 5 is also one of my favorite ways for pretty much every season, and is to swap out your cleaning supplies, your candles, your diffusers. Scent is such an important part of seasonal decorating, and to bring in that fresh spring vibe, I love to bring in hyacinths into my home. Usually they pop up at grocery stores at this time, the real hyacinths, because I absolutely love the smell of them. They remind me of springtime in Europe where I grew up. Swapping out diffuser oils and candles for florals or citrusy scents. Using seasonal hand soap and dish soap. Light florals or fresh linens are a great scent for spring. And also choosing spring scented cleaning supplies, they can make those daily chores feel more enjoyable and refreshing. These little swaps create an inviting spring-like atmosphere throughout your home. Number 6, which is also my last tip, but there's few tips within this tip, and is lighten up your space with just simple small changes. Some easy and affordable ways to brighten up your space include switching out dark throw blankets for lighter, airy fabrics, using sheer curtains in spaces that you can to let in more natural light, swapping out dark decor for more lighter, neutral pieces, adding mirrors to reflect light and make rooms feel bigger. These are simple tweaks that can make a big impact, not just for spring, but are great for spring without requiring a full room makeover. Spring is all about fresh start, and these budget-friendly decorating ideas will help you refresh your home in a way that feels high-end and cozy without spending too much. Let me know down in the comments what changes you are making this season. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming decorating videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!